Alright, so you might have seen a video like this where they're making a block swapper in Minecraft. So basically what it's supposed to do is that it replaces two blocks. One pushes out, one pushes in, one pushes out, one pushes in. So, yeah, no, this is in Java. So here's what we're really gonna do. Instead of doing this, alright, so what you need for this tutorial is redstone, whatever planks you need, not a repeater, excuse me. Two workspace blocks of your choices. Some sticky pistons, levers, and finally a block of redstone. Make sure you have a wall like I'm building it, sort of. Like this could be reference to your house. So if you're like three block tall or 2 block tall, whatever, it doesn't really matter. So yeah, is you're gonna dig 2 blocks under here and just keep digging. Then you're gonna break this block here, put a sticky piston. My bad, actually. Put this and then put a sticky piston. Doesn't really matter. You can break this block underneath, just like that, and then place a block right next to it with redstone coming out. Yeah, with redstone coming out. Once you have this, you're going to break this block, place 2 blocks here, break that one, and put a sticky piston going this way. And then finally, for the redstone portion, oh yeah, I forgot, wait. By the way, it is recommended you need to break these blocks here in about a 3x3 pattern. And probably there too. We'll see what works, don't worry. So, place a block here, place redstone here, 2 blocks up, redstone, and then place one here. Okay, so now we have to supply it with power. That's what this is for. Basically what it's going to do, redstone block, that powers the first one. My bad guys, sorry, I forgot to replace that. And this, okay, anyways. So once you have that, you're going to break this block and put whatever block, workspace block you need. So I'm going to do a furnace. And then you're going to put a lever here. And that'll automatically switch it out for the other block. Replace it with the crafting table, whatever you need. Fully functional in Bedrock. And then of course, it's pretty easy to actually cover up. Like, here, I'll do like a mini base just to show you. And yeah, it's not that hard to cover up. And there, you have a fully functional Bedrock block swapper. Also, shout out to Infinity MC. He showed me a little bit of how to make this. I did have to fix it so it actually work.
Break this block,
but it's basically the same thing.
Swap, flick the lever.
Yeah, this is like the only tutorial that I've found actually works, so that's pretty cool. Go subscribe to this guy. And also shout outs to Cow Capes. He's a pretty cool dude. I mean, I will give him credit, he did make it working, but I wish he had said that it was Java edition. So yeah, no hate to anybody. Props to this dude and props to this dude. Both their credits and channels will be in the description. Thank you all for watching, and I hope this helped. Have a good day, alright?